Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can add a custom domain to Vercel. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Vercel and then log into your account. And I also have here my domain provider, which is the Squarespace. So yeah, we are going to use this domain. So I'm just going to copy this one. After that, I just have to open your Vercel account and then go to the domain. So this one. After that, tap on this add domain option. Okay, and then you just have to paste it right here, your domain. After that, tap on the save option and you'd be able to see here now your domain. So I just have to make sure that if your domain needs to change the name server from your domain providers, you just have to go here. So I just have to go to your domain name servers and then you just have to add here the Vercel name servers. Okay, and then after that, you'd be able to see here now this blue checks. So it means that you have successfully connected your custom domain to Vercel. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.